So here in this lab, what we're going to do is you and I are going to build a custom WordPress plugin. It's just very basic. Okay. And then you're going to use this plugin as the basis for everything that you do here at Know the Code. Okay. So you're going to extend it and use it as you go through like the docs. You see me putting code together and testing. You can do the same thing. You can run this basic plugin and then follow along with me and get the same results that I'm getting. All right. Here in the labs, everything that we do, remember, this is a learn do. You need to be writing code with me, building it with me. So as we're going through these labs, you need a starting point, and that's what we're going to do. This will be your starter. So what's going to be in this? Well, we're going to have Composer. Because we need Composer. We need that to be able to load up Kint and the Whoops. Okay, the Whoops air display. And I'm going to show that to you here in a moment. So this is the bare bones of it. You also are going to need a plugin .php file, because this is going to be the one where, hey, WordPress is going to be able to recognize that you are a plugin and allow you to be able to activate it. Then you can write all your little demo code and build the labs with me and so on. All right, so this will be our starter plugin file. Let's take a look at Kint and Whoops here just real quick. So this is Whoops, and you can see that instead of getting that really ugly bar that you get up, you instead get this nice container. It displays the errors for you. So here on the side, it's going through the call stack to let you know, oh, okay, over here, this is how you got to the error. This is the error that actually popped up. And here's the line of code that caused it right there. It's highlighting it for you. And then you get some environmental details down here too for you. This is a much nicer display than doing this. So tell me which one you'd like to see. This ugly orange here, which, you know, it does give me some good information on it, but I like having the code open right up and show me this is where you made your boo-boo at. And right from here, I can see, oh, okay, I see the problem. Well, in this particular situation, I've got funcnum args. It's not within a function itself. It has to be called in a function. So it's telling me, no function context. Well, yeah, duh. I intentionally put it there to cause an error. Here's your environments, right? So all your environment variables, here's your server request data and so on. All of that gets posted there for you too. So it's a really lovely way to be able to debug as you're writing your code. All right. And then Kint is this. Notice right here, I've got a D. This is going to do a couple of things for me. It allows me to dump out whatever data that this is representing out to the browser. And it's wrapping it in a container for me. So let's go and we're going to take a look at that. And here you can see this container. It tells me the variable, which is nice. It tells me the data type, which is nice. And it gives me the value. So whatever data that it's representing. Also gives me a little call stack here too. So that can be handy sometimes if you're trying to look for things. It's a much better tool than just using print R, var dump. This is a much better tool. It gives you a lot of information. It's very handy. The other thing that it does is if you have an array, like this, look how it's in a nice container. So you can open and close it. You can see all the information that's within that array. You get a count and so on. So it's just a nice container. Now we're going to build this together, just you and me. We're going to walk through and understand how to put together this starter custom plugin.